Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is the 1967 Chevelle 138 car, numbers matching, 396, guys. She is gorgeous. Beautiful restoration. The car is second to none. Blue interior, beautiful chrome, beautiful grille. Man, the restoration is off the hook. Just gorgeous. All the stainless looking good, all the emblems, the chrome, the paint as slick as can be. Body lines looking good. Love the wheel and tire combo. The red lines, man, looking slick. The body moldings there on the rockers are looking slick. She is gorgeous. Now let's look at this interior. You can see that blue interior looking slick. Man, dash pad looking good. All the chrome on the dash, the center console, the seat belts in the rear. Now, if you want to look at several pictures of the car with the top up, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. Love the little skinny steering wheel. That center console looking good. All the chrome on the dash looking great. Carpeting looking like it's brand new. Even the light there in the center console's working there. That courtesy light looking sweet. Look down that quarter panel, it's looking straight as an arrow. The paint man and the body man did a beautiful job on this car. You can see all the chrome here. Lenses in the tail lights, blacked out tail panel looking good. Chrome on the back bumper looks like it's brand new. Now let's see, I got 3 keys here. What's your chances you give me I get the right one to open up the trunk? Well, there's one wrong. Hey, that ain't too bad. You see we've got spare tire in there that matches. Looks like the jack and lug wrench is in there. The wheel wells look nice and tight. Backside the quarters nice and clean, nicely coated. Bottom side of the deck lid's nicely painted. The lips on the deck lid look good. The gutter system here around the trunk opening, nice and clean. The rubber's been replaced. When you look down the side of the car from the back, just straight as can be. Hats off to the body man on this car. Straight as an arrow. Hundreds of hours went into this thing doing all the blocking and sanding. Just amazing work on this car. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this 67 Chevelle. So you can bet we've spent the time to check it out before we bought it. When they get here to the shop, we get them up on the lift and check them all out so we can answer all your questions. So call Tom at 248-974-9513. Now, if you want a close-up picture of any area of the car, just talk to Tom about those close-up pictures. He'll get them right out to you. Now, I've got about 35 years of experience in the business, and I'm going to put those 35 years to work for you, helping you pick out your dream car. All right, 67 Chevelle time, guys. What a sweet ride we got here too. Numbers matching, top goes down. Man, this thing is sweet. Beautiful day, beautiful sky out. We got the top down, the sun's out. Let's go for a ride in the convertible. This thing is sweet, guys. Beautiful restoration. Give Tom a call at 248-974-9513 and he'll explain just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway no matter where you live in the world. And if you want some help with financing, we can help you out with the financing end too. We got 3 or 4 bankers we work with on financing right now. They make the process really easy for you. No problem whatsoever. Tom will explain the whole process to you. He'll take care of all the paperwork for you. You don't have to do a thing but make that phone call. Enjoy your new car when we park this dream in your driveway. As you can see down here on the dash, we got the speedos working. Everything on the dash is looking sweet from 1967. I mean, this car is almost as old as I am. This thing is beautiful. Center console looks good. Dash pad's in beautiful shape. Look at the paintwork on that hood out there, looking sweet. Now, we're real close to the airport here in Detroit. Even though we sell about 95% of our stuff sight unseen on the internet, we invite our customers to please come on in and join us. Check out our inventory in person. We're open on Saturdays if you'd like to drive in. And as a matter of fact, if you happen to see Tom or I at a car show, please come on up and meet us. We'd love to meet you. Don't be afraid, come on up. Like I said, we're close to the airport. We'll even come down to the airport and pick you up if you need a ride. Now we're gonna do something that nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up on the lift so you can see just how nice the bottom is. Then we're gonna pop the hood and check out the power plant. We're here at our shop now. We're at 15100 Keel Street, Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us. We're gonna put it up in the air for you right now. Check out the bottom side. All right, we're underneath this 67 Chevelle now, and man, she is pretty back here. Cross member back here is looking sweet. Trunk floor is looking sweet. Bushings look like they're new. Tank is definitely new. Drop downs look good. Exhaust is definitely new. We got a 12-bolt rear end. It is an open rear end, right around the 307 gear. Brake lines look new. I see paper tags on everything back here. Shocks look new. Bushings look new. Brake drums look new. And the guys will still take those apart, make sure they're in good working order. Everything under here is nice and clean. It looks like I got a new hard brake line going front to back. Looks like I got a new fuel line going front to back. Look like I got new parking brake hardware going front to back. Those floorboards also look brand new. The frame has got a great coat of paint on it, nice and clean, looking sweet. Drive shaft's got nice paint on it. It's got balancing marks on it. Now the transmission is a Powerglide, and it is period correct, but it is not numbers matching. The bushings look good up front here. Again, the brake line crossover looks like it's new. We do have drum brakes up front here, and the guys will pull those apart, make sure they're in good shape. Sway bar bushings look like they're new. Ball joints also look like they've been replaced. Sway bar up here. All these bushings up here on the frame also look good. Idler arm looks new. Fuel pump looks new. The trans lines look like they are fairly new. Pitman arm looks new. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Core support looks good. Chrome on the front bumper looks great. Just beautiful overall. Good looking wheels and tires too. We got these red lines here. These are 7014s on these. Rocker moldings look good. Bottom sides of the front fenders looking sweet. That's a telltale sign, guys, because that's where a bunch of junk would pile up on here, so this is one of the first things to go on these cars. Also, feel around on the back side. That's nice smooth metal back there, so there's no patchwork or anything there. Just be careful of the back sides of them screws. Those are all nice and sharp. You come out with a bloody hand. We got good looking pinch weld here. Also, run your hand down the back side of the rocker. I feel nice smooth metal here. Got good looking tire on the back here. Again, red lines. This is just like what would have been on the car from the factory if you'd have ordered red lines. And I'm sure they're the same size as the front, but of course I cannot see the size. There it is, 7014s. Also feel this lip where that wheelhouse comes, and again, them damn screws sharp as hell. We gotta watch it. And again, even the edge of that metal's sharp. Watch that. Always check this too. See how nice and clean that is? And again, there's a body bushing. Always look at those. Look at that mount too. See how nice and clean that mount is? Check out that pinch weld too. That's where the floorboard on the trunk comes to that wheel well. That looks good. Well, let's get under the hood and see what's making power. All right, under the hood here, we got the Numbers Matching 396 with a 4-barrel quadrajet making the fuel go into this baby. She is beautiful under the hood. Looks like it's got a period correct distributor on it. It's got the GM markings on the heater hoses. It's got the correct exhaust manifolds on it. We've got all the chalk marks on the firewall there. The firewall's nice and clean. It does have a power booster, so it does have power brakes. It does have power steering. It's got the remote reservoir for the power steering here. Everything under here is nice and clean. Radiator looks good. It's got the top on the battery here. It's got the Delco Energizer battery. Inner wheelhouses are nice and clean. They even brought the paintwork right down into the engine compartment here, looking sweet. Bottom side of the hood looks good. They even replaced the fiberglass on the bottom side of the hood. Everything about this car is beautiful, guys. The top goes down. It's a big block. It's got beautiful interior. I tell you what, guys, this car is gorgeous. Call Tom at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.